Okay, I think most of you, when you get a question like this, are just saying cross multiply. Of course, you need to understand the theory behind it, or you get confused on a question like that. Hey, what was the theory behind it? Well, we actually multiplied both sides of the equation by the same thing. And on this one, it's the m minus 3's that canceled, which is why I ended up with 1 times m plus 3. And on this side, the m plus 3's canceled, which is why I ended up with 4 times m minus 3. Okay? That's what I meant when I said cross multiply. And from there, I know that's easy. Expand, collect like terms, solve for m. Okay, now we're going to take and we're going to solve rational problems by translating word problems by writing rational equations and then solving. So in this unit, we're just looking at all the same category of word problems: speed, distance, time. So if I ask you how fast are you going, you always answer in kilometers per hour. That is, you tell me distance divided by time. Would you please take and solve this for D? I expect you know that speed is distance over time. What's D? S times T. Okay, you just multiplied both sides by T. Could you please take this and solve for T? D over S, distance over speed. Okay, it's just simple algebra. You don't need any little triangles or mnemonic tools to remember that. You know what velocity or speed is. Once you have this equation, just algebra to solve for distance or algebra to solve for time. This is the one we're going to use mostly. If I want to know what is time, and I know distance and I know velocity, time is distance divided by velocity. Okay, so let's just read through the word problem and try to translate that into some English into math. Okay, so Jenny drove from Edmonton to Grand Prairie and back, a distance of 360 kilometers each way. Her average speed was 30 kilometers an hour greater on her return trip than on her trip out. Her total driving time was 10 hours. Here's your job. What's her average speed on each leg of the journey? So what's this question asking us? It's asking us to find how fast she was going there and how fast she was going coming back.
10 hours in total. So would that mean 10 hours one way?
Oh, okay, good question. So read it again. Her total driving time was 10 hours.
Basically 5.
Okay, so he's saying it's 10 hours total. Is it 5 and 5?
No.
Why not?
Because she was driving around for
Okay, because she went faster on the way back. So it's not 5 and 5. It's something and something that equals 10. Okay, so let's start there. We could say her time, and I'm going to let capital T equal, oh my goodness, the bell. How did they do that? Okay, no, hold on. We'll just adapt this. So rather than